Hard to get another shot off with this small gap, eh?
So we just get one for now.
Yeah, well, one's better than none.
Take the back one.
I'd say.
What was the range?
240 or 250.
I don't know, to take a net really good. Oh no.
That one at the back's still a yearling, I reckon.
Yeah, it is.
Go that. Ah, there you go. Took out the side of its face.
Can you see it?
Oh yeah. Just can you work out which one's in better condition?
In the back. Good.
Yep. Wait. Just above it, bro. You went through its neck.
One in the middle.
Yeah, it's looking back, directly back at its ass. It's really bewildered. It's the one that's looking around heaps. But yeah, it's the one in the middle. The other one's coming down in the way of it though.
So that one that's
At the back now, looking back, wondering what happened. Yeah. That took him. Good shit, Johnny.
240.
Yeah. Good shit.
Hey, easiest deer we'll ever get, eh, Zaggy boy?
Okay.
That's the biggest. That is Germanicus. That one's old poo. It looks like theory.
There's the other one.
I'm already tired.